The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor may elevate Samsung's Galaxy S24 to the status of gaming king. The emphasis of leaks has switched to the Galaxy S24 series now that Samsung has unveiled all of its high-end smartphones for the year. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor is slated to power the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup next year. The Snapdragon GPU, on the other hand, has the potential to turn the Galaxy S24 into a genuine gaming beast. A supposed Vulkan, the unannounced Snapdragon SoC benchmark result, was released by renowned leaker Ice Universe, and it seems that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with the Adreno 750 GPU has an amazing score of 15,434 points. This is much higher than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's average score with the Adreno 740 GPU, which is 10,000. There is no clear method to compare the Snapdragon processor to Apple's S17 Pro platform in the same test. However, if we use 3D Mark Wildlife to benchmark the graphics, the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already on par with the S17 Pro. As a result, we can fairly anticipate that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU will greatly outperform the iPhone chip in terms of graphics performance, given that Apple is already pushing the 17 Pro to run console-like games. It would be fascinating to watch how Samsung markets the supposed benefit of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on its handsets. Similarly, it is unknown if the Galaxy S24 would debut with a unique Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, similar to the S23, which uses a Snapdragon for Galaxy version. Regardless, the GPU unit should stay basically similar throughout the chipset's many clock speed fluctuations. Aside from graphics, the S24 Plus with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 scored roughly 2,233 and 6,661 points in single and multi-core Geekbench tests, respectively. Both are clearly inferior than the S17 Pro on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The final scores for the Galaxy smartphone may yet change. Unlike the 17 Pro, which is made using a 3nm manufacturing process, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is being sent to utilize an upgraded 4nm node from TSMC, but there are already speculations circulating that Qualcomm may launch both 3nm and 4 versions of the chipset. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.